KitchenAid just launched this semi-automatic espresso machine with Burr Grinder. It comes with a manual. It will tell you how to set up the coffee machine. It also comes with a coffee recipe book, and you can create tons of recipes using the espresso machine. The machine comes in 5 colors. Influencer sent me the brushed stainless steel color, and it matches my countertop pretty well. The design looks sturdy and aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. The back of the machine has a 2.5-liter water tank that is detachable, so you can easily refill the water. It is recommended to use filtered water to avoid damaging the parts of the espresso machine. The top of the machine has a removable bean hopper, so you can easily change the coffee beans to a different type. Just turn the knob so you can lock the bean hopper before grinding the beans. The bottom part of the machine has a drip tray, and then you can easily pull it out, and you can see a storage tray where you can put all the other filter baskets. The machine comes with 2 single-wall 1-shot and 2-shot espresso and 2 double-wall 1-shot and 2-shot filter baskets. Once you turn on the machine, you can see the temperature light blinking. After 20 seconds, the light stops blinking, means that the temperature is already ideal for brewing a coffee. This knob determines the coffee grind size, so if you slide to the left, the coffee will be coarser, and to the right, it will be finer. I like to set it at the middle because the coffee is richer and smoother on this setting. Turn this circular knob to determine the coffee dose and grind amount. It will tell you if you want a 1-shot espresso or 2-shot espresso. Make sure it matches your filter baskets. For today, I'll be making 1 shot of espresso, so I will set it to this bold dot right here. It's equal to 12 grams of coffee. I'll be using a 1-shot double-wall pressurized basket that will go with the 58mm portafilter. Press the middle part of the circular knob to start grinding the coffee. I am so impressed with the Burr Grinder that comes with this machine because the grind size is consistent and the noise level is quite low. The machine comes with a quality sturdy tamper, and the basket has a line to determine if you got the right amount of coffee in it. Pro tip, you can use the top part of the espresso machine to warm up your cups and glasses. Attach the portafilter into the group head and rotate to lock all the way to the right. Select espresso mode and then personalize the temperature. And then select the dose if you want it to be 1 shot or 2 shot of espresso. Press the start button to pull the selected espresso shot. I customize 1 shot to 30 ml and then 2 shots to 60 ml. I was able to pull 1 shot of espresso that has the right amount of crema on top. Pour 1/4 cup of milk to the milk pitcher. Make sure to select the steam mode. And then you will notice that the temperature lights will start blinking. It means that it's trying to heat it up. Once the light stops blinking, you can press the start button to be able to purge any water condensed inside the steam wand. Since we're making a cappuccino, we need to froth the milk by submerging the tip of the steam wand just below the surface of the milk and angle the pitcher and then press start. Froth the milk into a microfoam that is nearly double the volume of the original milk using the steam wand. Pour the frothed milk into the center of the espresso shot, topping with foam. To use the independent water spout, toggle mode to hot water setting. Place a cup under the hot water spout and then select the desired water dose and press the start button. Overall, I really love using this espresso machine. It's very user-friendly and customizable. The coffee machine costs $699.99 and you can purchase it in KitchenAid website from the link below. I highly recommend this machine. It's a total value for money.